Well, hello and welcome back to the RC Barn. My name is Mike, your host, and on today I'm just going to show you a real simple method of hanging your airplanes up. So stick around. So today I have finished the Wonder Twin, and now I need a place to put it. And a lot of guys struggle with, what do you do with an airplane once you're finished, especially one that you're going to keep. Kind of like in a one piece situation like this guy's going to live most of its life. It's going to come apart on the off flying seasons and stuff to be stored away, at least I think, and to do preventative maintenance. But in the long form, we need a place to put this, and I really don't want this thing to get really all banged up sitting upstairs. My upstairs is getting full, and so I got one spot over there in the corner where I think she's gonna live at. So what I do, and you can get as elaborate as you want, but go get yourself some wire coat hangers. And what I do here is, and I already got one kind of made up here, is I just turn the eye around sideways, and we want it to kind of line up with the bottom here. So what this is going to do, and get them kind of level here, so that way they're on the same plane, and we're gonna hang this. You don't have to be super accurate. I just got a pair of needle nose pliers. I'm gonna eyeball this, and the first thing you're gonna do is turn your hanger into a 90, like so. And then what I do is I grab a hold of the get you to where you can see what I'm doing here. I grab a hold of this hanger like so, and I just keep twisting it around. Of course, if I had a pair of heavier pliers here, this would be a little bit easier. We're going to make a loop. And this really works well for putting your airplane up in like the ceiling where you have strut or you have cross beams. And then all we do now, and I'll have to get a drywall screw here. I don't think I got any out here that are kind of long enough. Well, this will give you an idea. This one's just a little on the long side. But all we're gonna do is thread this guy up through the hole, and you can see it's a little loose, but it won't pull through. But I'm gonna tighten it up just a little bit more. Kind of like that. Now, if you're really worried, or you got a finish that will mar easily, you can put some foam on here. You could go get some. Yeah, if I can think right, you can go get some vacuum line and slice it and slide it over here. I don't generally do that. What I do usually do is once I get it up there, I'll give her a little cradle. But I'll show you what ends up happening on the airplane here. You slide this guy over here, and as long as your wing is wide or narrower than the hanger is, it'll work just fine. As you can see, I'll get you off the tripod here real quick. That's how I do all of my airplanes up here. I got a long wing over here for a Telemaster that makes it a really nice place to put it. The biggest thing is when you set these up for length, you want to measure a little bit, and you want to get it, kind of in this area on the wing. So that way you can easily slide it off. A little step still helps because I got an 8-foot ceiling here and I'm short. But you can see I got that guy up there. He's hung. Can't see that one as well. But yeah, so this guy is going to live over there in that corner over there. So I'll get her hung up, and but anyways, it's kind of a short little video here, but a very simple way to hang your airplanes from your ceiling. And don't forget, there are lots of ways to do this with PVC. You can make rags. You can use dowel rod on a 2x4 to slot them. Lots of different ways. This is one of my favorite methods though. So anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one later. Like I started it like a month ago, and I played